Throw it up again, Q-tip. Give Janice 5. Give Janice 5. Go. Turn around. Turn around. Go, no, that way. Give him. Yeah.
Daryl isn't
I'm begging you to give him the toy.
Give me 5. Give me 5. 5. Come on. Q-tip 5. Give 5. 5.
Come on, give me 5.
Give me 5 or what? 5.
Oh.
He's not looking at your hand.
Q-tip 5. Q-tip 5.
Yeah.
There you go.
He throws it away.
Here. Give it to Auntie Janice. Everything.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy. Good 5. Good puppy. Good puppy. Go. 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 Go.
Do they still make that awesome?
Take this and throw it away.
More so than, yeah. And for the guys who can't review us,
I got your nose.
Look at the feet.
Must be cold in the room. What?
What?
Like his shirt and his nipples.
Big boy.
His? He's got diamond cutters? He got
It's never
diamond.
nice. Oops.
Drapes in your sandals?
Your drink. The beach. Hot glue there. The best here. I love this.
Yeah.
Good
puppy. Sit. Sit. No, sit. Sit.
When's
No.
Huh?
Stop.
when's Han's wedding again?
August 11th.
Oh, okay.
It's on a Saturday.
Oh, you got it.
My wife's the same.
Yeah, yeah, and it's because Deepali offers a ton of
Wow.
different box and bodies in there. Yeah, they have
He's gonna throw it.
Yeah.
She's got a really cute tie-dye bottom, which is also showing another one that
Like spank him?
the tassel
No.
gold embellishment. Black is back in for the season.